Good evening and welcome to SwillinGrog's A Wonderful World of Beer. What do we have for you this time around? We have Lucky Beer, 4.8% alcohol by volume, a product of China. Now, as you can see, a Lucky Beer comes in this Buddha-shaped green glass bottle. Okay, so I think we should crack it open and make an assessment of it. Alright. And this is, as a matter of fact, the first time I've tried Lucky Beer. So let's give it a go. Okay, let's open it up with the trusty BB Barfly bottle opener. Alright. Okay. And we'll pour it out into this ice cold Pilsner glass. Alright, nice pour there. So, let's make an assessment of the appearance. Alright, well it's a very, colour-wise it's a very transparent straw yellow colour. Yeah, there's a fair bit of carbonation there. Just a little over about 1 finger of head. Okay, so onto the aroma. Well, what I'm picking up is a little bit of a skunky, sweet, skunky, somewhat grassy aroma. It's not really overly pleasant. But I think we've got to the most important part of the review, the taste test. So cheers to you all. Let's dive in. Well, it's not what I was expecting flavour-wise. It's well, it reminds me a little bit of Quilmes. It's a very neutral sort of flavour. Really not much going on at all with it, actually. I'll just have to have another sip. A very faint hop presence there. It's not really an overly sweet, malty sort of flavour either. Oddly, what I am kind of tasting is almost like a hot buttered popcorn flavour, which I find really peculiar. But it is an adjunct lager, so there's certainly some corn present there. But yeah, I mean, definitely this weird hot buttered popcorn taste, which isn't like really offensive in any way, but yeah, just quite strange, really. So, I mean, in summary, it's, almost, as far as, the kind of flavour, you would expect of a lager. Usually a lager is like a sweet, malty sort of flavour with, a little bit of, bitterness for balancing. But this is, well, predominantly a very neutral sort of taste with a hint of, excuse me, a very faint sort of hot buttered popcorn taste to it. Very weird. I can't believe these words are coming out of my mouth, but yeah, that's what I'm tasting here. Anyway, the drinkability. I would say that even though the flavour is a little strange, the drinkability of this is still up there. It's not a bad session beer. You could certainly drink lots of this. It's a very non-offensive sort of flavour. As for a score out of 10, afraid I'm going to have to give this 4.5 out of 10. Yeah, it's I mean, it's very ordinary, generic kind of stuff with a odd sort of flavour to it as well. But it's, like I said, it's not offensive, but yeah, it certainly is going to take everyone that gives it a go by surprise, I think. Anyway, that brings us to the end of yet another SwillinGrog beer review. So, until next time, cheers to you all.